If you want to use circle to search on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply press and hold the home button in case you use 3 buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures for navigation, then you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation handle, indicator, or bar, however you call it, and that you have at the bottom of the screen. So press and hold the aforementioned button, and there we go. As you can see, we have this overlay. Now we can draw a shape around a subject that we want to search for in Google. So we can, let's say, select this area over here in order to see if we get any results. And as you can see here, we have the Google search. We can also, of course, also look for visual matches or try to get more information about this image. Besides that, instead of drawing a shape around it, you can also just simply tap on the subject. So instead of drawing, just tap over here, and as you can see, the area will be also selected. You can of course adjust the cropped area by grabbing by these corners, white corners over here. And there we go. We have the Gemini overview. It tells you what it is on the selected area, and we get some example search results. And there we go. So besides that, circled search also provides some more features. For example, we can just search in Google manually over here. We can also use our microphone. There is also the music recognition feature. So if you are looking for a song, you can tap over here on this button, and now we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to find the title. There is also screen translation, so you can use this button over here, and now it will translate from the selected or the detected language into the one that is selected over here. Of course, we can adjust the language and translate to any other language, and that's pretty much it. So this is how you can use circle search on Redmi 15. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.